हेलो दोस्तों। तो हम बात करेंगे 2018 के राष्ट्र गौरव एग्जामिनेशन पेपर के बारे में, जिसका ये पार्ट 2 है। सो आइए बिना देर के स्टार्ट करते हैं। द क्वेश्चन इज, हु इज़ द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ नीति आयोग? इसका आंसर है डॉक्टर राजीव कुमार। 56, विच रोट रामायण? इसका आंसर है वाल्मीकि। 57, Gandhi Sagar Dham is a part of which one of the following? Answer is Chambal project. Next, 58, which city hosted the 2017 National Children's Film Festival NCFF? So answer is Visakhapatnam. 59, which state government to launch cheap food canteen अन्नपूर्णा भोजनालय? आंसर इज उत्तर प्रदेश। 60, हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक गांधी इन चंपारण? आंसर इज डेजी तेंदुलकर। नेक्स्ट, 61, विच पोर्टल हैज बीन launched by the Survey of India SOI that offers free download of Indian maps? Answer is Nakshe portal. Next, 62, the Constituent Assembly was set up in 1946. Next, which king started the organization of Kumbh Fair at Allahabad? Answer is Harshvardhan. 64, who was the first Indian ruler who had territory outside India? Answer is Kanishk. 65, who had got the Konark Sun Temple constructed? Answer is Narasimhadeva II. 66, who among the following is known for his work on medicine during the Gupta period? Answer is Sushruta. Who wrote Shahnama? Answer is Firdausi. Next, 68, the Indian Veterinary Research Institute IVRI is located in which state? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next, 69, which state government has launched Deen Dayal Rasoi Yojana to provide food at subsidized rate to poor at ₹5 per plate? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. 70, the Kaibul Lamjao National Park is located in which state? Answer is Manipur. 71, Union government will launch Sampada scheme for which sector? Food processing. 72, the president of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. 73, how is the president of India elected? Answer is by an electoral college consisting of elected members of both houses of parliament and by the representative of central and state legislature. Next, 74, in which of the following situation does the President of India act on his own discretion? Answer is in returning a proposal for recommendation to the Council of Ministers. Next, the oath is administered to the President of India by the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. 76, when was the Madras state renamed Tamil Nadu? 1969. 77, Which among the following kavya of Sanskrit deal with court intrigues and access to power of Chandragupta Maurya? Answer is Mudrakshasa. Mudrakshasa. 78. Census in India in being held regularly after every 10 years. 79. Which Indian state has the largest number of cotton textile mills? Maharashtra. 80. On which river is the Hirakud Dam built? Answer is Mahanadi. 81. Which one of the following was set up during the 75-year plan to help the low income groups? Answer is Regional Rural Bank. 82. When was the Reserve Bank of India established? 1935. 83. In India, coins and subsidiary coins are issued by Reserve Bank of India. 84. The Lakshadweep Islands are situated in Indian Ocean. 85. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Island? Myanmar. 86. The High Court in India were first started at Bombay. Answer is Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. 87. Judges of the High Court are appointed by President. 88. Minor ports like Kakinada, Machilipattanam, Bhimunipattanam and Krishnapattanam are in which of the following states? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. 89. The Chota Nagpur plate, famous for its mineral deposits, is in? Answer is Jharkhand. 90. Who was the chief architect of Green Revolution that significantly improved the agricultural yield in the country? Answer is M.S. Swaminathan. 91. Which industry employs the largest number of women in India? Answer is tea. 92. SEBI stand for Securities and Exchange Board of India. 93. Kerala's shores are famous for the deposits of thorium. 94. Which Indian state stand first in the production of coffee? Answer is Karnataka. 95. Bhakra Nangal is a joint project of Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan. On which river is this built? Answer is Satluj. 96. Who is the responsible for auditing of government accounts? Answer is CAG. 97. The full form of TRAI is? Answer is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. 98. Sardar Sarovar project is situated on Narmada. 99. The following is a tiger reserve. Answer is Ranthambore.